Hey Mom, here making a video for you. I'm in Rome, and so basically right now I'm in the living room because this is the only place I get reception for my laptop. I was able to get reception from my laptop in my bedroom the first night, and now I can't. I don't know why. But anyways, so I'm doing this for you in the living room. Basically, here is the TV. And then we have a table with chairs. And then behind these huge blind things, we have our patio terrace thing outside. I don't know if you're even going to be able to see this. But, I mean, it's cute. Can I open this? There you go. Here we go. You can see the outside terrace. That's ours. It's private. See, we have a little table and chairs and stuff. Little area to like sit. Yeah. So we have that. And then let me go back inside. And then in the living room we have this random bed. Why? I don't know. And then to talk to you, I'm using this phone over here in the living room. So, yeah. And then there's there's the front door. And let's turn on these lights. And there's a mirror. And here we have one of our bathrooms. This bathroom only has a toilet, and it has a shower. And it's weird because the toilets, when you flush, you push this button right here, and then it has the water tank up on the ceiling. I think you can see that. It's kind of weird. So whenever you flush, it sounds like there's like a huge ocean coming out of your toilet. It's really funny, because there's so much water that comes out. Okay, anyways, from the front door right there, and the bathroom, I'm walking through the living room, and here's our little kitchen. We have, I'm waiting for the light, we have a little stove right here, little sink, cabinets and stuff, and then we have a little table, and we have, coffee things and stuff, and then the trusty microwave and the refrigerator. So there's that. And then let's see, turn off the light in there. And then we have the main bathroom down the hallway. And so this one actually has a sink, so that's good. But yeah, the same weird toilet thing that flushes with that button you see on the wall. And the tank is up there. And then, yeah, we have this really big mirror, blow dryer it came with, sink and stuff, and then here's a shower. You could see my my shaver and my shampoo and stuff. But yeah, that's the shower. And then we have this in our bathroom, but I think that's for guys to go to the bathroom, right? I think that's what it is. Okay. So now, Allie and her roommate, Jillian, are not here. So I could show you how their room looks like. So, basically, this is Allie's bed. She got a huge bed right there. And it's a bunk. So basically, the other person sleeps on top. And then they have huge closets. And they have a window outside looking to the terrace that I showed you earlier. See? With the table and chairs outside. Alright. So that's the room. I was hoping I'd have a room. I mean, obviously I have a room to myself, but it's really tiny. It's kind of like a closet. So I'm going through to my room right now. It's right across from theirs. But see how narrow the opening is? Do you see this? So here, wait, where's my hand? Okay, this is the side of the door. This is the side of the wall. Okay, this thing right here is so narrow. That's my entryway to my room. So I'm going in my room, and then it's really teeny. There's my backpack. I have like closet space and my clothes hung up, or my professional ones at least. And then my bed. I just woke up for a meeting, so that's why it's all messed up. And yeah, I have the Da Vinci Code up there. I don't know if you could tell. Oh, it looks backward on the screen, but anyways. Well, I've been wanting to read it. I still haven't read it while I've been here. And then right next to my bed, I have, let's see, a bunch of water, my Yaz, my makeup, my vitamins, if you could see them up there in that plastic baggie. And yeah. So anyways, I'm finishing the video for you in my bedroom. I don't have to tape the videos online, so I'm able to do that in my bedroom. But yeah, I don't have reception in my bedroom anymore, which is really weird. So I have to, like I said, I have to go to to the living room to get reception for the internet. So that's kind of a hassle. But, anyways, I hope you're doing good, and I can't wait for you to be here. Bye.